In a faraway land called the Vibrant Animal Kingdom, every day was an adventure. This magical place was a sprawling landscape of lush forests, rolling hills, sparkling rivers, and blooming flowers. The sun always shone brightly, casting a golden light that made everything in the kingdom come to life. The animals in this land were unlike any others, as they could talk, laugh, and play just like humans. In this enchanted realm, friendships were formed, and valuable lessons were learned each day. There was a wise old elephant named Elle who had an impressive memory, and was always ready to share her knowledge with the younger animals. Elle was kind and gentle, her large ears flapping as she spoke in a soothing voice. Her best friend was Leo the lion, a playful and courageous creature who loved organizing games and challenges for everyone. Leo prided himself on his bravery, but knew that true strength came from working together. Across the river, in a meadow filled with butterflies and flowers, lived Zippy the zebra, known for his exceptional speed and positive energy. Zippy was always cheerful, darting around and spreading joy wherever he went. But he also knew the importance of patience and taking time to help others. High up in the treetops, Banjo the monkey swung from branch to branch, always up to some mischief but with a heart of gold. His ability to solve problems with his quick thinking made him an invaluable friend when things got tricky. One sunny morning, the animals decided to hold a grand festival in the heart of the kingdom. They wanted to celebrate their friendship and the unity that made their lives so special. Elle used her wisdom to plan the events, ensuring that everyone had a chance to participate. Leo organized a friendly competition of strength and courage, where animals like Gilda the giraffe and Rex the raccoon could showcase their unique abilities. Zippy set up a race course that wound through the entire kingdom, teaching the younger animals about the value of endurance and sportsmanship. Banjo orchestrated a treasure hunt, encouraging the animals to use their wits and work together to find hidden goodies. As the sun set and the sky turned shades of pink and orange, the animals gathered around a large bonfire. Elle shared stories of the past, Leo led them in a joyous song, Zippy danced with enthusiasm, and Banjo played his handmade drum. The air was filled with laughter and the warmth of friendship. Through the festival, the animals of the Vibrant Animal Kingdom learned that diversity and cooperation were their greatest strengths. They understood that each one of them, with their unique talents and personalities, made their world a wonderfully colorful and harmonious place to live. And so they went to bed that night with full hearts, dreaming of the adventures tomorrow would bring in their vibrant, bustling kingdom.